Welcome back to the MotorMax channel. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most iconic bikes in the world, the Royal Enfield Bullet 500, now with an exciting 2025 update. Whether you're a fan of retro motorcycles or looking for a new ride, the Bullet 500 is sure to catch your attention. Let's take a closer look at what makes the 2025 model stand out. 1. Classic design meets modern touches. The 2025 Royal Enfield Bullet 500 stays true to its heritage while incorporating some fresh design elements. The iconic round headlamp, retro-style tank, and timeless chrome accents are still there, but you'll also notice a few modern tweaks. The new color schemes add a fresh vibe, with rich matte finishes and bold metallic tones. It's the perfect balance of vintage charm and contemporary style, making it appealing for both old-school enthusiasts and new riders. 2. Engine and performance power with tradition. Under the hood, the 2025 Bullet 500 remains powered by the classic 499cc single-cylinder engine, now with improved fuel injection for smoother throttle response and better fuel efficiency. The engine produces a respectable 27.2 horsepower, offering enough grunt to enjoy those long rides without compromising on comfort. The exhaust note, a signature of Royal Enfield, delivers that deep, throaty growl every rider craves. 3. Upgraded suspension and handling. One of the standout features of the 2025 model is the upgraded suspension system. With a new set of telescopic forks in the front and twin shock absorbers at the rear, the Bullet 500 offers a smoother ride even on rough roads. The suspension tweaks make the bike more comfortable for city commuting and long-distance cruising. Handling is sharper and the bike feels more planted on the road, giving riders better control in all situations. 4. Technology and features. The 2025 Bullet 500 doesn't just look good, it's also packed with useful tech features. The bike now comes with a fully digital trip meter, USB charging port, and an updated instrument cluster that blends old-school analog with modern digital functionality. Plus, Royal Enfield has added an improved braking system with dual-channel ABS for enhanced safety, especially during emergency stops. 5. Comfort and ergonomics. Comfort has always been a priority with the Bullet 500, and the 2025 model continues this tradition. The seat is wide and cushioned, perfect for long hours on the road. The upright riding posture makes it easy to handle, while the foot peg positioning ensures a relaxed ride for both short and extended trips. Whether you're commuting or touring, the Bullet 500 offers a comfortable and enjoyable experience. 6. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Royal Enfield Bullet 500 comes with a competitive price tag for the features and legacy it offers. It's available in select showrooms worldwide, so if you're looking to add this timeless bike to your collection, be sure to check with your local Royal Enfield dealer. Bike enthusiasts. Conclusion. Should you buy the 2025 Royal Enfield Bullet 500? In conclusion, the 2025 Royal Enfield Bullet 500 continues to uphold the rich legacy of this iconic bike, while delivering modern enhancements that make it even more practical and enjoyable to ride. Whether you're a fan of retro design or just looking for a reliable, stylish motorcycle, the Bullet 500 remains a top contender. Let us know what you think about the 2025 update in the comments below. Would you ride this legendary machine? Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more motorbike reviews and updates. Until next time, ride safe and ride hard.